My GE microwave makes a humming noise when the door is shut, even though it is not cooking.
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model #PVM 9195 SF1 SS, manufactured in July 2013.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If I can, I'm a DIY type.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
My wife says it seems to get warm. I just got home from a business trip and plugged it back in. Thanks. The sound is the same as if the microwave is cooking. If the door is open, the sound stops. The microwave seems to cook as it should. I just heated a glass of water.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is I look forward to helping you. If you place a cup of water in and just shut the door, do not start it, does the water get warm after a minute?
The sound is the same as if the microwave is cooking. If the door is open, the sound stops. The microwave seems to cook as it should. I just heated a glass of water. Yes, the water heated to boiling, even when it was not in a cooking mode.
Okay, you need to unplug the microwave right away. It is dangerous to leave it plugged in as it is. The main control has a welded relay and will need to be replaced. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. The video at the link below shows how it is replaced. Click here. Be sure to leave IT unplugged until repaired. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Awesome service. Thank you, Kelly. I just ordered the part to repair my microwave. It will be delivered on Tuesday.
Excellent. Please let me know if I can help with any follow-up questions after you receive the part.
I plugged my microwave back in the outlet to use the light over the stove, and there was no humming noise, and the microwave has been working fine since. It only cooks when programmed. Clock and all functions work. Any ideas? I've received the part for the repair.
The relay may have come loose, but I would still replace the board. You are risking a fire by leaving it knowing it was failed in the closed position. It will fail again.
Okay, I will swap out the board. Thanks.
That would be best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.